Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we're going to see job opportunities for civil graduates, mechanical graduates, electrical and electronics graduate, electronics and communication graduate. The name of the company is CSIR, Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute have released the job notification. So kindly make the best use of it. So this is the official website of the CSIR. So topmost you can see an option called opportunity. You have to click on opportunity. So when you click on the option opportunity, you will be getting many details. When you scroll down, you can see an option called career. You have to choose career. When you choose career, you will be directed to vacancies. So now you have to choose vacancies. So when you scroll down, you can see various vacancies. The first one is vacancy for the post of technical assistant. So advertisement will be there. You have to click on this. When you click further, you will be seeing a PDF, advertisement PDF. Just click on the advertisement so that you can read the entire detail. The last date for submission is 28th December. So this month 28th, before 28th you have to apply online. CSIR, this is the Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute. When you scroll down, you can see 22 posts are available, and salary is quite high. And try to make the best use of it. Maximum age limit will be 28. Some relaxation will be given according to the category which you belonging to. And candidates must strongly advise to apply only in online. And hard copy of the application will be should be sent in time before the last date. See here, for various posts, the various departments which they require. It's like diploma in mechanical and diploma in electrical and electronics and diploma in civil engineering. So whichever department you belonging to, kindly have a cross verification and read the entire details carefully. So when you scroll down, you can see the selection will be mainly based on the written, that is trade test and skill test, followed by competitive written examination. So these two tests will be there, and after that you have to write a written exam, and your final mark or selection will be based on the whatever things they are conduct, whatever they conduct. So there is no interview, personal interview is not required for this post. So try to present yourself well and try to grab the job. And you need to apply through online through this website, and no other mode of application is accepted. And last date is 20th December 2021. So 5 p.m. before that you have to apply. And a non-refundable fee of 100 rupees. So application fee will be 100. So it has to be paid through State Bank of India or official, I mean they will be, even net banking also you can make it up. Just follow whatever instructions they gave. And you need to upload your passport size photograph, and many details are there. Just slowly you read one by one and try to understand. In case if you have any doubt means, you just ask in the comment section, I will be replying there. And after filling your online application, you have to send to the below postal address. See here, for the below address you need to send the fill the application form. And do subscribe our channel Mechanical Motivator, and stay tuned with our channel and share the video with civil, electrical and electronics and communication and instrumentation graduates. They will be making the best use of it. And thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.